Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 17, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 7th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second grade, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Third row, we already have 8. So it can't come in the cell 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row, third row. Then column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 4, 2, 3, 9, 7. And 5 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 5 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, and 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come this cell. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade. Then 4th row, we have 3, 1, 5. The 3, 1, 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 9. First grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 9. 8th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade. Then column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 8. Sixth row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, column H, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade, column H, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column B, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Column B, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column J, 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 8th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column D, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 2nd row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 10th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 10th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 10th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.